And welcome to another YouTube video. We are going to be testing out some stuff. And first we are going to do some stuff. Also, if you want to email me, go to your Gmail. My name is My name is developerkid2000@gmail.com. That is my email if you want to email me something. Also, subscribe and like if you want some more cool things. So let's see, what should we do? Oh, also, I have a Google Plus account that I'm going to do. And also, we are going to be using Scratch today. I haven't done anything yet, but we are going to be playing some stuff here and stuff like that. I'm going to try Space Sphere. Try 2 assets, 19 scripts, 2 sprites. That's not much, but I guess I will tap to that. Okay, this takes a while. That's better. I don't know what to do. Oh. Well, I guess I'll start creating. Today's lessons is on, we're about to figure it out. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to create on Scratch. What we're going to be doing is how to make your arrow keys make your guy move. So first, I'm going to do 4 of these. I'm going to do down arrow on this side, up arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Then I'm going to do actually I'm in motion. Then you're going to put point and direction for each of these. So down is 180, up is 0, right is 90, and left is -90. So now you're going to do move 10 steps or how much you want. But I recommend 10 or lower, because if you have more than 10, it's going to go wacky. And also, as you can see, your character isn't doing much. Well, what you're going to have to do is going to go to looks, and you're going to do next costume, so it makes it look like he's moving. So look. It's not that good, but it's good. So that's our first experiment. So now that you've learned all about the arrow keys, now you're about to learn how to make it so you can have a score. You're going to insert a variable for this sprite only. write 1 score. But also, you can name this whatever you want. You can rename him. I don't know what this says. Oh, show. And if you're using a Chromebook, I recommend pressing Control and also holding the left click. So you can name him whatever you want. Cat Dev. I call him Cat Dev. And also you can just do that. Cat Dev score. Now we have a score bar. So what you're going to do, you're going to do a control, well, when you can do whatever you want. 1 key press, data, change score by 1. So 1, 2, 3. You can go all the way over 100, I believe. You can go farther by 100. But what I like to do is 0. So now, wait, let me just get this guy where I want him. You're going to do so change score by 1. So every time he moves, it will change the score by 1. And also, you can go to events. You can do when space key pressed, hide variable or show variable. So then you can do another one. I'd recommend A, B. So let's look. Boom. So that would obviously be your speed. So this is your score. That's as much as I can show you for today. I hope you like this. Goodbye.